In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print email messages in Gmail, a skill that can come in handy for both personal and professional needs. Printing emails from Gmail can help you keep physical records, which can be useful for documentation, presentations, or even filing purposes. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to do this quickly and efficiently. To start, you need to log into your Gmail account on your preferred browser. Head over to gmail.com and enter your credentials to gain access to your inbox. Once you're inside, look through your emails and select the one you wish to print. It could be an important work correspondence, a receipt that you need for your records, or any other message you think is important enough to have in hard copy. After selecting the email you want to print, open it. On the top right corner of the email, you'll find 3 vertical dots, which is an icon for more options. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Now, look through this menu and find the print option. It usually has a small printer icon next to it, making it easier to locate. Click on the print option, and your browser will open a new tab or window with a print preview of your email. Here, you can take a moment to review the contents to ensure that everything is in order and you have the correct email selected. This preview will show you exactly how the email will appear when printed. If everything looks good to you, you can proceed to the next step. The print preview screen often comes with a print settings panel. This panel lets you choose various settings like the number of copies, the printer you're going to use, paper size, and layout, among others. Make sure your printer is connected to your computer and adequately set up before making your print selections. Double-check to see if you need a color or black and white print and adjust accordingly. Once you've reviewed and adjusted your print settings, it's time to print. Click on the Print button, usually found at the bottom of this settings panel. Your printer should begin printing the email shortly thereafter. If there are any errors, double-check that your printer is online, has enough paper, and is not out of ink. It might also be a good idea to print a test page or print to PDF first, especially when printing crucial documents, just to ensure everything is set as expected. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward approach to printing your emails from Gmail. Remember, if you need further documentation, you can always refer back to this video or consult the Gmail Help Center. Happy printing!